How to get the children of the this selector. I have a layout similar to this, and would like to use a jQuery selector to select the child img inside the div on click. To get the div, I've got this selector. How can I get the child img using a selector? The jQuery constructor accepts a second parameter called context, which can be used to override the context of the selection, which is the same as using find, like this. If the ims you desire are only direct descendants of the clicked element, you can also use children. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to learn JavaScript. We have a number of awesome tutorials in the works.